In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the video generator in CapCut Pro to create AI generated videos from text prompt. Let's get started. From the home screen, tap Create with AI. A new window will pop up. Tap Video Generator. Here, you'll see two input options, image prompt and text prompt. For this tutorial, let's use the text prompt. Here, type a detailed description of the video you want to create. For example, an elephant running on the moon. After that, selecting parameters. Currently, only one AI model is available. Next, you can set the video duration to 5 seconds only. After that, select your preferred aspect ratio. Once you're done, tap the Generate button. Each generation will cost 250 CapCut credits. Once the video is generated, preview the result. If you want to see more variation, tap the Regenerate button. It will cost another 250 credits each time. Once satisfied, tap the Download button to save the video. And that's it! You've successfully used the video generator in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!